Welcome, everyone. We're going to talk today about the domain training. Okay, we're going to talk about domain training, how to get your domain for a cheap price, the purpose of your domain, and let's get into it. So, the reason why we use the Power Lead system and the PLS, better known as, is because that's your marketing. That's where you're going to have your websites, your lead capture pages, your funnel is going to come through this system. A funnel. What is a funnel? A funnel is going to be used to capture the emails that's coming in, people looking for a way to make extra money. They're going to have the people is going to drive the traffic to you, which means you are getting leads to help you build your business or businesses. Okay, so that's the purpose of a funnel. So you need a domain basically for the tools to help people find you quicker, right? People don't want to go to a website, for example, that says infinitydownline.com/?? Equal sign ID or ID equal sign your username. That's just too much. So people says, well, get a domain and make it a shorter name. And also another benefit of doing that is when you use Craigslist, you can post multiple ads by having your domain hitting inside of a subdomain per se as an affiliate site. Okay. So the way you want to do that with the system is that you go in and you have you got your PLS system. You log in, you go to your websites, and you go to websites, domains, subdomains, and come down to buy a domain. It brings you to this page right here. Okay. Now they got a short video you can look at right here, but let's dive into it and let's see what we're talking about. For one, you're getting a domain for $11.97 a year. That's cheaper than GoDaddy.com. Okay, that's the cool thing about it. The other thing is that you can do it within the system, right? You already got it in their system, so that means if you were to bring a domain over, they'll charge you $5. So you're really paying GoDaddy to have your domain, and then you're going to pay them $5 to put it on their servers. Okay, so it's cheaper just to get you a domain and put it right here. Now, what I use when I do a domain, I use three numbers. I use three numbers, and I use like stop, go, or something to that effect. For example, I have 393go.com, so I click on that 393go.com. I click, is this domain available? So what's going to happen when I click it, it should come back and says this domain is already taken, which you see right here. That domain is already taken. Okay. So what you do, you can say, well, what if I pick a .net that might be available? Okay. Or you could, I'm saying pick something that you want. You can use a regular name. For example, you can say residual pay 25.net, right? And says this domain available. And then look, this domain is available. Residual pay 25.net. So you can use a short name like that. The name should be short, or it should complement whatever you're trying to do. Okay? So this name it fits pretty well. Residual pay 25.net. All right. So now what it's telling you? Yes, I'm satisfied with the spelling of the name. So check your spelling. I understand that there's no refunds. Is what this check mark mean here. It may take 40 hours for the domain to come up. Usually it takes about 2 hours. Your domain name is available. And then, yes, I authorize immediate one-time charge of $11.97 to my credit card. Okay, so that's what it's telling you. So that's the power in doing this with their system. All right. So now I highly recommend you get a domain because it's going to help you with your Craigslist ads. It's going to help you with other things that you're going to be doing. So it's best to get a domain. That's the best place to get it, right there, $11.97. And then once you get your domain, this is what you're going to do. So you get your domain, it's good to go. Now what's the next step? Where do you go next? The next thing you're going to do, you're going to scroll up. You're going to set your lead capture page. So click on your lead capture page that you created. What I'm going to do, I use this one, the one in the middle. Okay, very simple to use. You can use any of them that you like. They got a whole bunch of templates. And what we're going to do, we're going to use this one. And then I chose to use this one with the black background. You can use the cream or light blue background. This one has a phone number tied to it. Now, I'm not going to be down a whole lot of people for $25. You can use this one, but I chose not to. I use this one. So when I use this, I said, okay, I'm going to use it like the way this looks. And I choose this one. Okay, so when I choose that, what happens, it's going to ask me what you want to call it. Okay, so I type in the name that I want. And then I want to use the survey, and I wanted to concentrate on the video before this drop down shows up. So I say, let it do it in about 10 seconds. All right, so show only the survey to put the name and email in there after 10 seconds. Now, what autoresponder do I want? Do I want to use? So I put a drop down listen, and I'm going all the way down to the bottom. Okay, and I'm clicking that one, which is the 16 for the businesses that I want to use. Okay, promote your primary business. Now here it's asking me what domain you want to assign to it. It's going to be this domain. Choose this domain 393, whatever you use. That's going to be in that list. Okay, that's going to be in that list. So you're going to use this domain. Now, when they finish the survey, when using this domain above, where do you want the prospects to go after completing the survey? In other words, when they view the video and they put in the information, where do you want to send them? You want to send them to your Power of 4 or to your Infinity downline, right? You're going to send them straight to your Infinity downline link. So what you're going to do, you're going to type in infinitydownline.com/ and then what I suggest you do is just go log in to your Infinity downline. Okay, go log into your Infinity downline. Okay, and find your link from your profile when you first log in. View downline, right? Profile, I'm sorry. And where we at here? Let's go back to the home screen. This is your link right here.
Glad to see you've decided to take the next step.
Okay, so you're going to see this link right there. That's what you're going to paste. When you log in, you're going to paste this information into this box right here. Make sure you take off the HTTP that's in this box from the get-go. Take that out. You already got it right here, showing you already have it. They just want the real name, right? And then you put your link in there, and now when they fill out this information right here, they click on the link, you got them going to the system. Now you want them going to this location once they finish. Now your search engine optimizations, give a description, making money online, cheap program with $25, own your own business every single month, something like that. Keywords, Infinity downline, making money online, online business, something to that effect you want to put in there. Okay, then you hit save changes, and then you're going to go through the steps. Edit the text, your background, select your video, and then you'll be good to go. Now the video that I use, just so you guys understand, I use the Power of 4 video, but really you're going to use, they're going to go to your link. So when they go to your link, it's going to automatically put the video. You can put the Power of 4 video in there, which is the 2-minute. You go to Power of 4. You go to YouTube.com, and then you type in. Let's bring it down. So you're going to type in the Power of power of 4, right? And then this is what you see, all these different videos, power 4 system. And all you're just trying to do is find a video with the clocks. That's the one you want, okay? So you can use this one, you can use that one, but I'm just looking for a 2-minute video, real quick, all right? Here is the original one right here. You see they got their own little channel. So you click on that, and then you can click on the video itself, okay? That's the infinity downline video. What you want is the power of 4 video. So what I do, let me show you how a quick way to find a video. Let's say you know where the video is located, right? You go to the power 4. Let's say I'll go to 393 go. 393 go. You know that's where the video is located. All right, 393 go, 393go.com. All right. Here's the video. Now, what you can do, you can click on YouTube. Click here. Just pause it. All right. And then you want to go to the share button. And then you just want to go to embed code and just copy this code. It's already highlighted. Just hit Control C. Control and the letter C, as in Charlie. You copy that. And then when you go back up to your admin and you click on this button, so select video location, you're just going to click on here. I want to use a YouTube video from another source, right? Click on Save Changes. This box open up and you just paste it with Control V and paste it in the box. Okay? You want to start it automatically and then you want to save the changes. Now your system is ready to go for that channel. You're good to go. So you just did all 4 steps: basics, edit text, set the background. There's videos that show you how to do all this stuff. My main purpose was to show you how to set your domain to get there and the reason why you want to do that. All right, guys. So that's all we got. Take care. Follow the system, guys, and the system will take care of you. All right. Goodbye.